Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. And today I am going to show you on how to cook banana nugget. Wow, what a very nice name for food. So here are the ingredients. You got the banana, you got wheat flour, you got some sugar, you got some eggs, you got melted butter, you got some milk, you got some wheat flour, you got some sprinkles, you got some cheese, you got some breadcrumbs, you got something susu contain mayonnaise, and then you got butter in stuff. Okay, alrighty, so here are how you're going to do it. Now just mix it up. Okay, yeah, just do this for a while. Okay. Yes. So you're gonna do this for a while. Just wait. Okay, so yeah, it smells like banana. So okay, that's enough. We're going to put this, okay, all of them. Pop. Put this here. Sugar. There. No. Egg. Pop. Okay, egg. And then melted butter. And then milk. Whoa. And just mix it up. I'm going to cut it over here and see you next time when I finish. So yeah, let's cut over now. Okay, so yeah, I've successfully filled this up and mix it. We're gonna put this over here. Now this already has butter, so make sure you do that. Okay, so we're just gonna put it. Okay, how do I wait? I'll just put it there. Okay, yeah. Okay, put your concoction. Make sure nothing leaves. Okay, so after doing that, just open this, push this away. Okay, carefully. Wow, hot. How am I supposed to do this? Okay. Ouch. And just wait. Now I'm going to wait for a few minutes and yeah, come. Oh, hello there. So yeah, I've just finished the last ones. Now yeah. Now for these two, what you want to do is to grab it a bit hot, okay? Yeah, just dump it over here. Yeah, okay, nice. And then just grab it and just do this, okay? Now I'm going to do two for now. Now this is going to take a while, and so we'll see you next time when I finish. So yeah, I've cleaned this up. Alright. So the next step after doing all those things is to put it inside oil. So yeah, I've made some oil over here as you see, and we're gonna start to put our bananas. Okay, now come closer. Here's 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, and finally 6. Okay, so I am going to cut this part because it's gonna take a while, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Okay, so yeah, okay, it's almost done. Let me just turn it off. Now we need to grab the thingies, the banana. Okay, yeah, there you go. Careful and okay. Okay, yeah, and just put it. Now, yeah, we're just gonna wait. Put it over here. Okay. Oh, what? Oopsies. Sorry, little guy. Youch. Okay, yeah, never mind. So, they're still hot. Alright, so the second step is now we're going to mix it over here, okay? I just chose. Now we're just gonna wait because it's still a bit hot. Okay, yeah. Choose the ones that are not really hot. Now I'm trying to find one. And yeah, okay. So yeah, just put it over here. Mix it all up like that. And you could choose either flavor with sprinkles or cheese. Now I choose cheese. And just butter it all over like this. There you go. I'm going to do a few more. Okay. Yeah. Alright. And then the ones over here. And this is going to take a while, so yeah, we're gonna cut it. It will be perfect. And there you go. As you see, it is very nice. Smells like banana. I do not know why. So yeah, thanks for watching, and this is one of my favorites because I like things. Okay. Saya wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you later. Okay, so yeah, here you go. Here's some weird food. Eat it, please. Okay, yes. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you later.